How to get Disney Hulu Max bundle. If you're a new subscriber, go to Disney Plus, Hulu, or Max websites. Choose the Disney Plus, Hulu Max bundle plan you want, either the $16.99 per month with ads or $29.99 per month no ads version. Create or log into your account, enter payment details, and you'll be billed monthly for the bundle. If you're already subscribed to any of the services individually, go to the Manage Subscription section of your current provider. There, you can switch to the Disney Plus, Hulu, Max bundle. Billing will be consolidated and you'll start paying the bundle rate going forward. Once subscribed, download or open the Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max apps. Log in using your bundle credentials. If Max content isn't accessible through Hulu, you may need to open the Max app, select Hulu as your provider, and log in again to link your account. This bundle does not offer a free trial. You start paying immediately upon sign-up. The bundle saves you about 40% compared to subscribing separately to all three platforms. It offers access to all three services with one bill, and supports streaming on multiple devices. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.